Hey guys, just want to give you an update on the Shoreline Park docks. We've got one dock completed with the exception of some decking. Running a little short on the synthetic decking because of the COVID problems. Just can't get it all. So I've laid some plywood down at the end, which is still safe. It's 3/4 plywood, so y'all can use this dock here. We got the bumpers on it. We've pulled the poles out on the center dock. We've got the poles all reset. We're working on the framing there now. And over on the far side, we're setting poles for that dock over there. We'll be tearing it out today too. So hopefully they're telling me we're going to get decking today, which is Friday. Hopefully we'll get that. We'll start getting that cut up and get the decking put back on. But looks like we're right on schedule. Just waiting on materials to finish everything up. I got some of our other projects finished up where I can get over here to Shoreline Park boat ramp. We're getting started on this now. We're working with a limited staff. Looks like a lot of our people are coming down with COVID now, and we're also having a hard time getting materials and supplies. So we're gonna get out here and do what we can, try to get this thing knocked out to get everybody back in the water again. I know everybody's anxious to use this ramp since we have limited ramps in Gulf Breeze. Not our choice to start it this time, but we're gonna get it done as quickly as we can. Some good progress today. Got this dock completely tore out. The poles pulled out of the ground. We've got our strings ran, started running some more pilings. Got a barge here, got another barge coming in to give us a hand real quick. We got the center dock tore out. We'll start pulling the poles on it tomorrow. Got our strings ran for this little L going on the dock out here. Got all the pilings set for the western side dock. Started with the framing. We're ready to start setting some more poles out here. All these are 20-foot, 25-foot pilings. Minimum is 10 foot of ground. Yep, Guyon's an animal lover. A lizard, gecko, whatever it was in my tractor. Got a lot of production going on over here. Got a couple extra guys to help out since we got the poles set on this side. My goal is to try to get this one knocked out today, hopefully, so we can get this ramp here open. Then we'll be pulling the poles on the center, get that one done, and then we'll have a fully functioning 2 docks and a ramp, and then work on the third one. So we got a lower step down on here, upper dock, just like we did. I elevated a little bit to keep the cross ties out of the water most of the time, to keep it from rotting like it did last time. Use 5/8 stainless steel 5-inch anchors into this right here, tying back into the concrete. All the piling set for the center dock now. Get ready to start framing it up. Got the center dock being framed up right now. All the poles are set. There's 28 poles replaced on that. We use all 25-footers and 20-footers. So they're in excess of 12 foot in the ground right there. Got the first customer, Deja Vu. I think I've seen that boat before. No. Tying up to my dock. We just opened that side up over there. So we're gonna go ahead and get moored up against the side of the dock right there. Here's the section I mentioned earlier where we just ran out of decking, so I went ahead and laid some 3/4 plywood down just to make it accessible and usable, especially with this tropical storm coming up. You never know what's going to happen. I want to make sure it's usable for all you guys to get your boats out of the water and in safe harbor. With some of the material shortages, it's really hard to get piling, so we just have to grab what we can get. And we got 20s and 25s here, which is going to give a lot deeper piling in the ground. Guys are getting them lasted up here now. We're getting ready to start setting them on this side right here. really means a lot to me. Y'all watching my videos and comment and give me the likes on it. If you haven't done it, yes. If you haven't done so yet, please like and share. And if you got any comments or questions, please feel free, well, that's hard to say, please feel free to leave me a comment or question. Thanks.